Sarah is at home. She is having a music lesson. Sarah's teacher, Chris, plays a scale. Sarah watches Chris. Then Sarah plays the scale. But she plays a lot of wrong notes. Chris plays the scale for Sarah again. Then Sarah tries again. This time, she plays the right notes.
Good job, Sarah. These scales aren't easy. Practice them some more this week.
Okay.
Now, let's play a song. Which one are you practicing?
I'm practicing this one.
Good. Play that one for me. Very nice, Sarah. But be careful of your rhythm. Don't rush.
Oh, okay.
Start again. Great, Sarah. You are a really good piano player.
Thanks, Chris. You are a good teacher.
Maybe you can be a music teacher one day, too.
Do you really think so?
Yes, you are smart and you are kind. You can be a good teacher.
Thanks, Chris. Hey, can you play one of your songs for me? I like your music.
Sure.
Are you serious? You really think Can't Buy Me Love is the best Beatles song?
Well, maybe it's not the best, but it's definitely better than Twist and Shout.
You're wrong.
Hey, guys! What are you talking about?
We're talking about the Beatles.
What's your favorite Beatles song?
Huh. Probably Can't Buy Me Love.
Ha!
You two are crazy.
Well, thanks for coming over to look at our jukebox, Simon.
No problem. What's wrong with it?
It keeps playing the wrong songs. Yesterday, Mrs. Moore wanted to listen to a classical song.
She almost fell off the stage when the jukebox started playing rock music.
That's funny. Well, let me look at it.
How are you doing, honey?
I'm fine. I'm organizing the jukebox's CDs a little. It has a lot of different kinds of music. I forgot about that.
There's something for everyone. There's jazz, country, blues.
The Beatles?
Don't forget Elvis.
Yes, Max loves Elvis. You ain't nothing but hell, no.
Simon, my good man, how is the jukebox coming along?
It's just fine. I finished organizing the CDs. There are some great CDs in there.
There really are. I like almost every album in there.
You do, huh? What about the boy band albums? Do you like them?
Sure, they're fun. Sarah really liked those when she was younger.
Simon, were you in a boy band in college?
Renee.
What was the name of your band again, honey?
The Pop Rocks? We sang pop music.
They danced, too.
That's great. Will you sing a song for us now, Simon?
No.
Why not? Simon, sing a song.
No!
Come on, honey. Please. You really make my day.
Oh. All right.
Yay! Go, honey.
You've been there through the sunshine and the storms. Hi, Betty. Betty?
Oh,
Hi, Simon. I'm listening to music on my cell phone.
I thought so. That's a cool feature, isn't it?
It is. I can put these earphones in my ears and listen to music anytime, and no one else can hear it.
But then you can't hear anything else. You didn't hear me come in.
I know. Sorry. Maybe the volume is too high.
Hey, did a package come for me?
I think so. I'll get it for you.
It looks like you're enjoying your new cell phone.
I am. Thanks again for helping me choose one.
You're welcome.
I love listening to music at work.
Good. So, did you find my package?
Oh, right. I'm still looking. You know, I downloaded some music from the internet.
That's great.
The internet has a lot of music to choose from.
Yes, it does.
I also took some songs from my CDs and put them on my phone.
Wow, Betty. I didn't know you knew about these technologies.
I didn't. Sarah taught me. Here's your package.
Thanks.
Oh, hey, this is my favorite song. Listen, I'll play it on my phone speakers.